Good morning, students. So today I'm going to talk about isotopic weight or average weight. Like last time we have written about the atomic weight: hydrogen, helium, lithium, 1H1, 2He4, 3Li7. But you have noticed that in case of chlorine, it was 35.5. So how it was 35.5? So let's talk about isotope. What are isotope? Isotope are atoms having same atomic number but different mass number. So in this world we have chlorine 35 also and chlorine 37 also. And same way we have 16 oxygen, we have 18 oxygen, like we have written 16 oxygen, 8O16, 8O18, then we have C612, then we have 613, 614. So these are called isotope. In this we're going to talk about in the next chapter regarding that it has more number of neutrons. But you can just see this 35 and 37 both are existing. Now while writing the atomic number, for example in case of periodic table, which atomic number we should write? So there is a calculation that's called average isotopic mass. Let's see about this chlorine. That chlorine exists as 35 as well as chlorine 37. Now how to calculate? So chlorine 35 is actually present 75% in this world, and 37 chlorine isotope is only 25%. Just look carefully. So here we will take 75% of 35 plus 25% of chlorine 37. So one chlorine atom exists, like 35 chlorine atom exists 75% all over the world, and this chlorine 37 exists 25%. So what will be the average mass? So 35 into 75%, 37 into 25%. 25 3s are 25 4s are 25 1s are 25 4s are. We have 35 into 3 divided by 4 plus 37 into 1 divided by 4, which will be how much? Both denominator are same, so we will write in this way: 35 into 3 plus 37 into 4, 37 into 1. So it will be around 105 plus 37 by 4, which will be 142 divided by 4. So 142 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, 22, 4 5s are 20.45s are. So you can see the answer is 35.5. So when we take the average mass of 75% as well as 25% of this isotope, the answer is 35.5. That's why the atomic weight when we write of chlorine is 35.5. And same type of calculation is there present in oxygen, oxygen 16, 17, 18. So we take the percentage and the final and then we do the calculation. So answer is 59.99 something. So we write as 16. But if it is exact 5, so chlorine is 35.5. So this was about isotopic average mass. Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about relative atomic mass. The word itself conveys something. Relative. Okay, it is not actual atomic mass. So let's just tell you about the real weight of one hydrogen atom. Mass of one hydrogen atom is about 1.673 into 10 raised to minus 24. You can imagine, as atoms are so small, they are so microscopic, so obviously the weight would be so much insignificant figure, 0.230 and 1. And also at that time there was no such method to determine the weight of actual weight, as the atoms are so much small. So they came up with the idea of relative atom mass, like how many times at one single atom is heavier than the lightest one. Like for example here, so they wanted to compare the weight. For example, one boy is having 10 kg, a small young boy is having 10 kg weight, and a person like adult like me having 60 kg of weight. So 60 kg of weight compare with the 10 kg of weight of boy. So I am 6 times heavier. I am 6 times heavier than that younger boy. But does it mean my weight is 6 kg? No. This is just I am how many times heavier than that boy? 6 times. So same kind of concept was used in the relative atom mass. So here, like scientists have compared the weight of, for example, they had oxygen, then they had nitrogen. So they wanted to compare with some lightest element, that was hydrogen. For example, they wanted to compare hydrogen because hydrogen was having 1 as a unit weight. So for example, if you compare, let's just make a balance. So for example, if we keep hydrogen and if we keep oxygen, so hydrogen is having 1 weight, oxygen is having, for example, 16. So here, this taking hydrogen as a reference, we can compare that oxygen is 16 times heavier. It is how much? 16 times heavier than oxygen. So what we do, we take the average isotopic mass. So we keep, for example, average isotopic mass 16, and then we compare with the hydrogen. So they required something which has mass as 1 unit, like hydrogen was having 1 unit. So comparing with the oxygen, so it is like oxygen atom, a single oxygen atom is 16 times heavier than hydrogen atom. But then there comes about the difficulty that hydrogen have isotope 1h1, 1h2, 1h3. So the exact weight of hydrogen is not 1, but it is 1.008. So they wanted some kind of we can say reference which is having 1 unit mass, and then they come up with the idea known as 1/12 of carbon 12. 1/12 of carbon 12. So 1/12 of carbon 12 is having weight 1 unit, which is known as atomic mass unit, because when we divide the weight 1/12 of carbon 12, so this was about